Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of financial leadership within the corporate realm. As Chief Financial Officers, CFOs, you are the custodians of an organization's financial health. Entrusted with the vital task of steering the ship through the treacherous waters of economic uncertainty, competition, and rapid change. Our topic of discussion today is the CFO's Guide to Financial Leadership, Navigating Corporate Finances. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the multifaceted responsibilities of a modern CFO and provide actionable insights into how to excel in this pivotal role. Before starting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Defining the CFO role. To begin our journey, let's define the CFO role. The Chief Financial Officer, often referred to as the financial steward, occupies a unique and crucial position within an organization. The role extends far beyond mere number crunching. It encompasses strategic thinking, risk management, compliance, and effective communication. As a CFO, you are not just the guardian of the company's financial records, you are also the architect of its financial future. Your role involves orchestrating a harmonious balance between financial stability and growth. Let's delve deeper into the core responsibilities that define your role. Core responsibilities of a CFO. Financial planning and analysis, FP&A. Financial planning and analysis form the bedrock of a CFO's responsibilities. This includes budgeting, forecasting, and conducting in-depth analyses of the financial health of the organization. A CFO must possess the ability to peer into the future, anticipating financial challenges and opportunities. Capital allocation. Efficient capital allocation is the cornerstone of prudent financial management. CFOs must make informed decisions about where and how to invest company resources. This includes evaluating potential mergers and acquisitions, capital expenditure projects, and dividend policies. Risk management. The CFO is the vanguard against financial risks. This involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could threaten the company's financial stability. Effective risk management strategies are instrumental in safeguarding shareholder value. Financial reporting and compliance. Accurate financial reporting is not only an ethical duty but also a legal requirement. CFOs must ensure that financial statements adhere to accounting standards and regulatory guidelines. Transparent and accurate financial reporting instills confidence in stakeholders. Investor relations. Building and maintaining positive relationships with investors is paramount. Effective communication of the company's financial performance and future prospects fosters trust and attracts investment. Strategic financial leadership. The role of a modern CFO extends beyond traditional finance functions. You are expected to contribute to the formulation and execution of the organization's overall strategy. Your financial acumen plays a pivotal role in shaping the company's long-term vision. Navigating corporate finances. Now that we have explored the core responsibilities, let's delve into practical strategies for navigating corporate finances effectively as a CFO. Building a strong finance team. Your journey begins with the assembly of a skilled finance team. The strength of your team is directly proportional to your ability to execute financial strategies. Invest in hiring, training, and retaining top talent. A strong team not only supports your vision but also brings fresh perspectives to the table. Data-driven decision-making. In today's digital age, data is your most powerful tool. Leverage data analytics and business intelligence to make informed decisions. Advanced analytics can help you identify trends, customer preferences, and cost-saving opportunities. Advanced financial technologies. Embrace the wave of financial technology, fintech. Automation, artificial intelligence, and blockchain can streamline processes, enhance accuracy, and reduce operational costs. CFOs who harness these technologies gain a competitive edge. Stakeholder communication. Effective communication with stakeholders is non-negotiable. Whether it's the board of directors, shareholders, or employees, clear and transparent communication is essential. It instills confidence and ensures alignment with the company's financial goals. Risk management strategies. Risk is an inherent part of the corporate landscape. Develop robust risk management strategies that encompass financial, operational, and strategic risks. Diversification, insurance, and contingency planning are essential components. Case study. Successful financial leadership. Let's examine a real-world case study of a CFO who exemplified successful financial leadership. By dissecting their strategies and decisions, we can gain valuable insights into what it takes to excel in this role. Evolving role of the CFO. The role of the CFO continues to evolve in response to changing business dynamics. Modern CFOs must be agile and adaptable, embracing innovation and staying attuned to emerging trends. Your ability to pivot and lead through change is paramount. Financial planning and analysis, FP&A, in depth. Financial planning and analysis, FP&A, is a cornerstone of the CFO's role. It involves not only budgeting and forecasting but also scenario planning. In today's volatile business environment, CFOs must be adept at modeling different financial scenarios to ensure resilience. Data-driven insights are crucial here, as they enable CFOs to make proactive decisions based on real-time information. Capital allocation strategies. Efficient capital allocation requires a strategic mindset. CFOs must carefully assess opportunities and risks associated with each investment decision. This includes evaluating not only potential returns but also the alignment of investments with the organization's long-term goals. Successful CFOs strike a balance between short-term financial gains and long-term sustainability. Risk management in depth. Risk management is a complex but critical aspect of the CFO role. Beyond identifying and mitigating risks, CFOs must also embrace risk as an opportunity for growth. Strategies may include hedging against market fluctuations, ensuring robust cybersecurity to protect financial data, and monitoring regulatory changes that may impact the business. Successful risk management is proactive, strategic, and integrated into the organization's overall strategy. Financial reporting and compliance in depth. Accurate financial reporting and compliance are not just about ticking boxes. CFOs must ensure that the financial narrative is clear and that stakeholders can easily interpret financial statements. Compliance with regulations such as Sarbanes-Oxley, SOX, is vital to maintain investor trust. CFOs must stay updated on changing regulations to ensure the company's financial practices remain aligned with legal requirements. Investor relations in depth. Investor relations involve more than delivering quarterly earnings reports. It's about crafting a compelling financial story that resonates with investors. Effective CFOs are skilled communicators who can translate financial jargon into a language that resonates with a diverse group of stakeholders. Building strong relationships with investors fosters confidence and encourages long-term investment. Strategic financial leadership in depth. Strategic financial leadership is at the heart of a CFO's role. It means aligning financial decisions with the overall business strategy. CFOs must collaborate closely with other C-suite executives to ensure financial goals support the company's mission and vision. Successful CFOs are change agents who drive innovation and transformation, contributing to the company's long-term competitive advantage. Navigating economic uncertainty. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, CFOs face unprecedented challenges. Economic uncertainty, global events, and disruptive technologies can impact financial stability. CFOs must develop agility in financial planning, using scenario analysis to anticipate potential disruptions and respond effectively. Building a resilient financial strategy that can withstand shocks is paramount. Embracing sustainability and ESG. The CFO's role extends beyond profit maximization to include sustainability and environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. Embracing sustainable financial practices not only aligns with societal expectations but also enhances long-term financial performance. CFOs can lead by integrating ESG considerations into financial decision-making, thereby reducing risks associated with environmental and social issues. Technology as a competitive advantage. Technology is not just a tool but a competitive advantage for CFOs. Advanced financial technologies, such as AI-driven analytics, can uncover valuable insights that drive growth and efficiency. Blockchain technology can enhance transparency and security in financial transactions. CFOs who embrace these technologies position their organizations for success in the digital age. The future of finance. As we look ahead, the future of finance is evolving rapidly. CFOs must adapt to changing roles, which may include becoming strategic advisors, risk managers, and technology leaders. Continuous learning and staying ahead of emerging trends are crucial to remaining effective in the ever-evolving landscape of corporate finance. Building resilience. Building resilience in financial leadership is essential, especially in times of crisis. CFOs must prepare for unexpected events that can impact the financial landscape. This includes having robust contingency plans, stress-testing financial models, and ensuring liquidity to weather economic downturns. Resilience isn't just about surviving crises, it's about emerging stronger and more agile. Global considerations. For CFOs operating in multinational organizations, navigating global finances presents unique challenges. Exchange rate fluctuations, international taxation, and differing regulatory environments require a keen understanding of global finance. Successful CFOs develop strategies that optimize international operations while mitigating risks associated with a global footprint. Leadership and team development. Leadership is not just about managing finances but also about leading people. CFOs must inspire their teams, fostering a culture of collaboration, innovation, and continuous improvement. Effective leadership involves mentoring and developing finance professionals, preparing them for future leadership roles within the organization. Ethical decision-making. Ethics is at the core of financial leadership. CFOs must make decisions that align with ethical principles, ensuring that financial practices are transparent, fair, and accountable. Upholding ethical standards builds trust with stakeholders and preserves the company's reputation in an increasingly scrutinized business environment. Diversity and inclusion. Promoting diversity and inclusion within the finance department is not only a social responsibility but also a strategic imperative. Diverse teams bring a variety of perspectives and ideas to the table, enhancing creativity and problem-solving. CFOs should champion diversity and create an inclusive work environment that reflects the diversity of their stakeholders. Continuous learning. The world of finance is dynamic and ever-evolving. Successful CFOs are lifelong learners who stay updated on industry trends, regulatory changes, and emerging technologies. Continuous learning ensures that you remain at the forefront of financial leadership, ready to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. The human side of finance. CFOs should not forget the human element in finance. It's not just about numbers, it's about people, relationships, and effective communication. Building strong relationships with colleagues, board members, and other stakeholders is essential for effective financial leadership. Conclusion. In conclusion, the role of a CFO is multifaceted and dynamic, requiring a blend of financial acumen, strategic thinking, and leadership skills. As CFOs, you possess the compass that guides your organization's financial journey. By embracing these principles and strategies, you can navigate corporate finances successfully, ensuring the financial health and longevity of your organization. Now, I invite you to ask any questions or seek further insights on financial leadership and navigating corporate finances. Thank you for your participation and engagement today. Remember that as CFOs, you have the power to shape the financial destiny of your organizations. Embrace the challenges, stay informed, and lead with unwavering commitment to financial excellence. What you think about our video, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.